Waking up naked out on the beach, we were still children, riding our bikes. I'm sure you've seen him work on the weekend. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back for another video. I know it's been a while since I last posted. I have been in the throes of moving into my new apartment. As y'all all saw, I was just getting started and I've just kind of like been living my life in my new neighborhood, doing new things, all of that stuff. And there's also been a lot of other things that I'll get into later on in this video that have kind of affected my posting, but I do see myself getting back on a schedule right now, and so that's gonna be really fun. I'm just gonna get ready for the day. It is a Thursday. It is a work day. I just got done with like a good chunk of work for both my job and my mom's business. I had a really long contract, and so I did that. Yeah, just got up a little while ago, but just wanted to get ready for the day because I do have plans later and I just kind of want to get myself up. I'm a little tired. Yeah, I've just been really, I don't know, trying to get very comfortable in my new life. And what I mean by that is I feel like in the past I have given up a lot of myself or like not quite been myself because there's been other people involved that I had to adjust myself for. And now that I'm living alone and I am single and can like, I don't know, I feel like a lot more liberty to be myself and kind of just like sit in who I am and accept things. And so I've changed a lot of lifestyle things that I'll talk about more. Some of these things I'll talk about more in the video, but just like simple things like my eating habits, my dressing habits, like what I do during the day, who I talk to, like who I give my time to, what I give my time to, things like that. It's just been a lot different. It's been a big change. I'll talk a little bit about my clothing, which is interesting. I feel like as someone with a lot of sensory issues, because I have ADHD, I have always been really picky about my clothes, and I feel like it's something that I didn't really realize was a thing until I like noticed I had ADHD and then like did some research and realized that sensory issues were a big thing. And then I was like, oh, no wonder I hate that. That makes sense. And so I've kind of just given, I have a uniform now, basically. I call it a uniform because I have like 10 of the same top, 10 of the same bottom, 10 of the same shoe, and I just wear it every day unless I'm doing something special. And I just feel so comfortable and like, I know what I'm doing every day. I know that I'm gonna look fine. I'm not gonna look sloppy. And I don't know, it's just, I'll show you what I wear, but basically it's an iteration of this. It's an iteration of a workout outfit. But yeah, I just finished getting ready. Before we continue, I just wanted to talk about Magic Mind. Many of you know that I have been drinking Magic Mind for a couple of years now, and I am a huge fan of it. As someone with ADHD and other neurodivergence, just like many of my viewers, I've dealt with brain fog and procrastination and lack of focus and an ability to complete tasks, low energy, and for a long time I was looking for treatments that I could do at home, and some of those included ashwagandha, L-theanine, curcumin, different things that would help with the brain. When I first started taking Magic Mind, I was pretty shook because it already had those ingredients amongst a lot of others that have been backed by hundreds of scientific studies to help with your cognition. And as you know, probably you included, we lack great cognition. I'm always looking for more help in feeling better every day and getting more done. Something that I really like about Magic Mind is that it comes in just a little bottle. You just drink it once a day in the morning. It's part of my routine, and it helps to boost energy and focus. It helps with your immune system. There's a lot of really great vitamins in there. Some of the ingredients that I love are the ones I already mentioned, but also rhodiola rosea, lion's mane mushrooms, bacopa monnieri. I also love the taste. Again, they've changed the taste and the makeup over the years, and I'm a huge fan. So good. You can either get a subscription or, you know, you can just try it once. I have a subscription. I get it every month. And this is what it looks like. The box is super cute. I just stick them in my fridge. I like them cold. Something that is also really important to me, if you watch my channel, you know I struggle with mental health. My family struggles with mental health. They donate 5 cents for every bottle sold to mental health charities that help with the homeless. They're also 100% carbon neutral, which we love. Anti-climate change girlies. And there's no risk. You can return the product if you're not satisfied. You can now find Magic Mind in Sprouts and Erewhon as well. You can check out my discount code down below. It can get you up to 40% off your first subscription for the next 10 days or 20% off for a one-time purchase. Let me know what you think down below, and yeah, let's get back to the video. Okay, I am hungry. I haven't eaten yet and I ordered Cane's, but I hid it in my cabinet because I don't think we'd get it otherwise. But I haven't had Cane's since I've been in California. They opened a Cane's in Union Station, I think, in DC, which is incredible. I haven't been eating out lately. I've been eating at home. So I just thought I'd treat myself today. I got the big box with no coleslaw because coleslaw is gross and healthy. And they didn't give me a fork. I need to unload my dishwasher. So I'm just gonna eat and talk to you guys. But basically, I have had some ups and downs emotionally lately. I've realized quite a few things about myself, but also I have more things going on in my life you guys will not believe. So if you watch my channel, you know that I have it rough sometimes. Like, my dad was very sick, he passed away. I've been dealing with a lot the last 2 years. You know, I'm just recently separated from my ex-husband. And my mom just got diagnosed with cancer. Can y'all believe? Just, wow, it's so special. I just, like, God just pays so much attention to me. You know, he's just like, wow, it's like she can deal with more. And so, yeah, so mom just got diagnosed with cancer. And the first day that I found out was horrible. Just like, I'm a tough bitch, and a lot of y'all know that, but I cried. I spent hours crying because of a lot of reasons. First of all, my dad just died 6 months ago. I spent the following 3 months taking care of everything, all of the estate, also my mom's business. I learned how to run her business. I learned how to deal with taxes and legal stuff. I'm a professional residential care facility for the elderly, CFO now, basically. And people my age shouldn't have to do all these things, I don't think. Like, I don't know, like, I should get a chill for a bit, you know? But nope, my mom's sick. The first day I found out, I was horrified. I cried all day. It was the worst. And it's interesting. It wasn't, like, part of it was obviously because my mom has cancer, but the other part was I was just so sad for myself. If you've ever been a caregiver for someone you love, you know how difficult it is and how much it takes out of you personally. Like, I really gave my life for my dad for the last 2 years. You know, I gave my relationship no longer exists. You know, my job was, I know I didn't do great at my job for 2 years, you know, and I was just constantly traveling and constantly doing anything someone else wanted without really paying attention to myself. You know, all my therapy was focusing on being prepared for his death, for grieving. And so I was so sad and I cried mostly because I was really afraid that I was gonna have to give my life up again. And I have just spent the last month in my new apartment, you know, doing things that I love, like really independent, able to spend my day as I wish. No one's calling me, no one's asking me this. I'm not spending weeks in a hospital, sleeping on a couch or like sleeping on a recliner that's not very comfortable with beeping all the time. And I have just been so happy. And so when that realization came that I might have to give up my life again, that just struck me. And now when I talk about my mom's cancer, I don't like get that upset. It's more when I think about like the fact that I might have to give up my life. And that's kind of crazy to say, and I feel like you won't understand it unless you've been through it. But yeah, so I had to pause because I needed to eat because I wasn't eating when I was talking and I was about to pass out. And yeah, something I'm really enjoying lately, just like a little sidebar here, is something that's like really been giving me life and joy and peace and just like so much good energy is the Instagram of the official Mari show. I have been watching these all day. That shit's lit. Like, y'all would not believe. I'm gonna link a video down below that just had me sent. I was just shook. But they post like clips of all like the issue and then the reveal, and it's just, anyway, love it. Okay, back to the thing. So anyway, yeah, like I have, and I think over the next few days, I spent a lot of time just like deciding what I was gonna do. You know, first of all, this isn't the same as my dad's sickness. My dad went from totally fine one day to intubated and about to die. My mom has breast cancer. A lot of people have breast cancer. A lot of people survive breast cancer. And we didn't know any details yet, right? So I tried to relax. And I also told myself I was not going to do that again. And I felt some guilt about like being willing to do all that for my father and not my mother. But I also have to protect myself, because if I am expected to take care of the family once she passes, then I need to like have the mental capacity to do so and stay well, right? But anyway, we have since found out that she's at stage 1, that it's quite a treatable cancer, and now we know what we're doing. We have been in this rodeo before. We know how to fight. We know how to talk to doctors. We know what to demand of them so that she gets the best treatment. And so I'm feeling a lot better, and we have a lot of family support, and that's really amazing. Something that I'm going to be doing the next few weeks, I'm going up to Boston because my sister is doing a medical rotation up there, and she has a baby. Crazy. She is nuts. Humpty Dumpty, you stop that. Good. And so like my mom was planning to go to take care of the baby, and now like I'm gonna go up just in case my mom needs to go home for surgery or something. And also like my dad's siblings are gonna go just in case that she needs to go home for surgery. So like everyone in the whole village is coming to help with the baby to make sure everything's taken care of. And that's something about my family that I really love, is like we will take care of each other. We will drop, you know, everything for each other, but also we need to take care of ourselves, especially me, because I've been doing so much. Anyway, I want to talk about my life right now otherwise. So I have been going to core power yoga. That thing helps with my energy. I have been making friends in the city. So I have a lot of friends in the city already, but they're friends that I don't see all the time because we've been friends for so long that it's just like, you know, and we're all different parts of our lives. So I've been meeting a lot of single girls like off Bumble BFF, and it's been great. Highly recommend. But now I'm using it and I'm being more aggressive about like actually hanging out with people, and I've met some really amazing people, and so I've been having a lot of fun. Dating's been interesting. I've figured out a lot about myself. Like when I first broke up with Jake and when I first came back here and I was like got my own apartment and stuff, I was like, I really like to be alone. I want to be independent for a while. I don't want people up in my shit. Like, leave me alone. And I've discovered that that's not actually what I want. I've been really finding that it's getting more and more important for me to like to like make my relationships with the people I love stronger. I just want to show you guys my uniform really quickly because I posted about this before, and some of y'all were like, what is that? So I organize my closet in a very specific way, and it's like for ease of access, or else I just will not, I will put on whatever is closest, whether it's that shirt right there, those shorts right there, because it's right there, right? So I needed something that was like, I needed to ensure my closet was very easy to manage and access and all that stuff, because I'm stupid and I'm lazy. People are gonna be like, you're not lazy. And you're right, I'm not lazy all the time, but sometimes I am lazy, and I can admit that. And so my closet is organized in very specific ways. Okay, so this is my going out stuff. Like, if I'm going on a nice date, going out with friends, that's up there, that's it. Everything else is comfy clothes, okay? So a lot of us with ADHD or autism or neurodivergence, we have sensory issues. We do not like certain fabrics to touch us. We don't like feeling a certain way. Like, for example, I like having my hair up because I don't like the feeling of hair down here. And so I always have my hair up unless I have it down. And I like clothes that is tight-fitting, that sticks to my body so I can't feel it like swimming around on me, you know? I don't like being barefoot. I like wearing socks because if my feet get dirty or I feel like they're dirty, I have to go clean them. Like, I'm in the bath just like all day, just like wiping my feet, you know? Anyway, so I have found some clothes that like is my go-to, and I like tight-fitting clothes, and I have about So this is the uniform. Let me show you. Okay. It's this top from Target. It's a workout top. And these shorts from Fabletics. And they're tight and they're comfy and they're perfect for the summer. And basically I just have like 50 iterations of that. So I have it in white. I have it in brown. And I have them already set up in a set so that like instead of just grabbing the random shirt that's on the bed that I'm not going to be super comfortable in, I can just go, oh, good morning. And then go, whew, okay. And what to wear. And this sounds kind of stupid, but like, it also helps me with looking put together in day-to-day life. Like if I leave my house to go to the grocery store, I don't just have like a random top and some pajama shorts on, which I used to just go out in because I was lazy and comfy. But now I have like an outfit that looks put together. And so I would highly recommend all of you finding what you feel comfortable in and then buying 50 of them and making sure that they look nice enough to go out and such. And so I have like a million iterations of everything. So I got this at Target. It's a different style top, but it's basically the same thing. And then I found this skirt at Target Kids and I bought it in blue and white and black. And there's the black one. Here's, I also went to Target yesterday because I checked and they had more in stock of the black top, so I bought more. Anyway, something's wrong with me, but just wanted to show you guys that. Anyway, I would highly recommend doing your closet like this. And I found that I feel so much better when I look good and I'm wearing clothes that makes me comfortable, but I also like not like frumpy. And that's what I used to wear. I just used to wear frumpy, ugly clothes and like to veg, and I veg most of the time. Like I work from home, I just chill, but like wearing something that's cute but also comfortable, life-changing, you know? And I've talked about this before, like something that also helps me feel better about myself physically and like feel like I look put together is like I wear gold jewelry, solid gold jewelry. I invest in it. I never take it off because if I take it off, I'm not gonna put it back on and I'm gonna lose it. You know, so I really invested in these pieces and I just keep them on all the time and it makes me feel like more put together. It elevates an outfit, whatever. And I don't know if you're, you know, like maybe just like find stuff that fits you well, right? Like if you're a guy and you have found that the Lululemon shorts are amazing and make you feel comfortable, like, you know, buy a few of them and then find some dupes or something because that stuff's expensive. You know, if there's a specific type of t-shirt that you like, if you found that linen makes you feel really good, I also only, like a lot of my going out stuff is linen. 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 Okay, there's more, I swear. But lots of linen, you know, and there's fabrics that I found that I just really like and such. Anyway, that's my tip for y'all. It's kind of a stupid tip, and this kind of applies to everyone, but if you're like a lazy, sensory issued person like me, and you are tired of looking frumpy and kind of like shit when you go out to the grocery store, this is my advice. Anyway, just thought I'd share that. But yes, I'm gonna go back to work because I've just been screwing around way too long. Bye. Alrighty, so this is the work stitch. Corn Pop's sitting here. Humpty's chewing on a Zin box. Those are his favorite things to chew on. And then we got laptop yogurt with coconut flakes and fig flakes. And then we've got TV functioning as second screen. Okay, y'all, just wanted to close out the video. Don't forget to check out my discount code for Magic Mind down below. And now we're going to just watch a few clips from my everyday life that didn't really make it into the full vlog. Thanks, guys. Humpty!
Waking
I just set her there in life, right? So she can just...
I'm sure you've seen. Where's your guy, by the way? And that's what you